How to add a Google or Gmail account to Mail app on iPhone 16 series. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll all the way down. Navigate to the option of Apps. From the list of the app, find Mail. Once you find it, open it. Now click on the option Mail Accounts. Click on the option Add Account. Now from here you are able to add a Gmail account. From these options, select the option of Google as you want to add Google account. Now provide your credentials, email or the phone number. Click on Next. Provide the password. Click on Next. Click on Continue. Now check in for all these options. Click on Continue. And just with that, you have added a Gmail account to Mail app on iPhone. So that's a wrap for this video. Now you can enable for these options: Mail, Contacts, Calendars and Notes, and click on Save. Now you can launch your Mail app and check. So this is how you can easily add Gmail account to Mail app on iPhone 16 series. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.